Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the pipe is cool and the bike is secure. This prevents burns and accidental movement. Apply a quality degreaser or concentrated dish soap directly to the surface, working a soft brush or microfiber in overlapping strokes to lift oil and road grime. Once the loosened grime appears, rinse with low-pressure water. Make sure to keep taped areas dry and repeat targeted degreasing on stubborn spots before moving to polishing. Next, you tackle discoloration and light rust using a staged polishing approach. Start with an abrasive polish for scale, then medium, then fine to refine. Apply small dots of product and rub along the metal grain with a microfiber pad or a felt wheel at low speed. This prevents heat buildup that can blue the steel. Make sure to wipe residue between stages, rinse occasionally, and inspect in good light. Once color and grain look even, prepare for protective finishing. Finally, you apply a heat-resistant polish or a high-temperature ceramic coating to lock in the shine and slow reoxidation. Follow curing steps for full durability. Buff thoroughly with a clean microfiber to remove streaks, and inspect seams and brackets for trapped residue that could corrode later. If stubborn bluing or pitting remains, repeat the targeted polishing step with light abrasives. If that fails, consider professional replating. One troubleshooting tip: test each stronger method on a small hidden area first to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.